Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to this episode of In the Garage. Today we're taking a look at Yoshimura's RS-12 full exhaust system for a 2025 and newer Honda CRF300L Rally. This episode of In the Garage is supported by OGO and his MX Goggle Box. This goggle case is a great way to keep your goggles from getting scratched up when you're going to and from the track. It carries up to 5 pairs of goggles and has plenty of internal pockets to carry extra tear-offs, roll-offs, glass cleaner, or extra lenses or microfiber. Now back to the episode. All right, everyone, there it is. Yoshimura's RS-12 Made in America full exhaust system for 2025 and newer CRF300L Rally. As you can see, there is the header here. We only have a 286cc single-cylinder engine, so the installation is not very hard, thankfully. That stainless steel header wraps all around inside the bodywork. You have to remove this panel and then goes right through here through the mid pipe and then back to that stainless steel collector with carbon fiber end cap and carbon fiber heat guard right there. Now, this system only weighs 9 pounds versus the stock muffler and stock header 12.3 pounds. So a nice weight savings from stock. You also get a power boost. So the horsepower goes from the torque goes from 16.7 pound-feet to 17.4 pound-feet of torque, so a little bit more torque. And in terms of horsepower, this liquid-cooled 286cc single goes from 23 horsepower to 24.5 horsepower at the business end of that 18-inch dual sport tire. So nice little power bump, and the exhaust note is much more pleasing than the stock setup. This thing's got a lot more growl to it. It's still a little bit loud in our opinion, but we're gonna let you be the decider of that at the end of this video. Now, the cool thing about Yoshimura exhaust systems are they're made in America. They're super high quality, as you can see here. Like, look at the metal brackets, the fasteners, the way everything just mounts up is just really, really nice. See, they're really exquisite and well put together systems. When you're fitting the muffler into the mid pipe and the mid pipe in the header, everything just lines up right and it doesn't require a lot of wiggling, a lot of elbow grease. Everything just fits, which we really like. Now, it's worth noting when you do install these exhausts, obviously you're going to get some hand oils on the exhaust if you're not using latex gloves, and even if you are using latex gloves, there might be some dirt or WD-40 or grease on your gloves. So it's always important to take some rubbing alcohol and rub down the header, rub down anything metal on this pipe and even the stainless steel canister. That will prevent any stains from happening on the muffler and give it a nice bronzing effect, which you can see here after the pipe gets up to operating temperature and heat cycles. Now, of course, because this motorcycle is going to be ridden off-road, as you can see here, the pipe is going to get a little bit dirty. So if you're a real person who's really particular about keeping things nice and clean, you're going to want to routinely wipe down that pipe with some alcohol to keep that thing from staining. If it does stain, just simply take out a light SOS scouring pad or something even lighter and those scuffs will come right off. You don't really have to scrub very hard. And then when this pipe heats up again, it'll have that nice deep bronzing effect. Now, it's worth noting that this muffler is not street legal, but it does have a spark arrestor. So there's a spark arrestor inside, so you can operate this motorcycle in off-road areas that require a spark arrestor, but technically this exhaust is not street legal, just something to keep in mind. The price on this thing, $849 for a full system, you know, which is a little bit expensive considering this motorcycle is only upwards of $6,000. But at the same time, if you're looking for a really nice exhaust system that's gonna make the motorcycle look cooler, make it more fun to ride, and give you that awesome sound, which we're gonna let you hear in a little bit, I don't know, I think $850 to literally transform the power and engine dynamic of this 2025 CRF300L Rally is well worth it. You're getting a really quality system. Well, everyone, that wraps up our In the Garage review of Yoshimura's RS-12. Now, who's ready to hear it in motion? Let's go. As always, folks, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe in this video, and we'll see you in the next episode.
the time of my behavior. Reverb in the stairs, echo thoughts